कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना। यार बाज हम जान साज हम इश्क बाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
Every year we are celebrating this day as an Independence Day. So before that, we must know why we are celebrating this day. Because on 15th of August 1947, we got freedom from British. It was not an easy task for us. You know very well, many of freedom fighters were sacrificed their life. After that, we got a freedom. So this is a special day, auspicious day for us. Every year we are celebrating. All the students performed very well. All the performance also very good. All the teachers did very good work. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Administrative officers, teachers and students. Today we are celebrating 78th Independence Day. Actually, Suja sir told about the today's all things, but I want to request to you, what is our duty and what was our freedom fighters' duty? They got freedom, that was their duty, and we will save our independence day, democracy. This is our duty. So if you will compare to a developed country to developing country, so what is the major difference? The major difference is, in developed country, nation is the first and public is the second. There is no selfish. So we want to change this thing in the youth. So I request to you, please, nation is the first and you are on the second position. This thing you can develop in your nature and pass to your nearby area. Thank you.
And dear children, why you assembled here today, you know very well. In the introduction, our teachers told you the importance of Independence Day. And children, you know very well that on August 15th, 1947, our country got freedom from the clutches of not doing some work in the offices. All this freedom we got. How we got this freedom? Because of the struggles and sacrifices, thousands and millions of people, our great grandfathers, they sacrificed their life for our country. They fight against the Britishers for continuously for 200 years. From that great struggle, because of that great struggle, we got this freedom. And among that, we honor a great Mahatma. He is called the Mahatma. He is called the father of the nation. Why so? A weak and frail man, his own ideas, ahimsa and not cooperation. With these ideas, he defeated the Britishers. The Britishers on those days told you, the most powerful empire in the world. being a country without any weapon, we people don't know how to use the rifle also. In such a situation, we fight against the Britishers with our ideals. That ideals put forward by Mahatma Gandhi and the great freedom fighters. What happened when Mahatma Gandhi came to the scene of independence means, before that our independence struggle was somewhere in India, mainly in Bengal, some parts of India, the struggle against the Britishers were there. But when Mahatma Gandhi entered into the scene, it became a mass struggle. Mass struggle means the Hindus, the Muslims, the Christians, the Parsis, the men and women, and even the children from the schools and colleges participated in.
Good morning, everyone. On this glorious day, we come together to celebrate the spirit of freedom that runs through the veins of every Indian. 15th August is the day of celebration and also a reminder of the courage, sacrifice, and unwavering determination of our forefathers who gifted us this freedom.
I feel great pride to present this speech. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got independence from British rule. Our country, and we have our own fundamental rights. Our freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers fight continuously on borders to protect our country. Friends, we all know that no nation is
एक बाप की कोख से एक ऐसे बच्चे ने जन्म लिया जिसने हिंदुस्तान के इतिहास में युवा और क्रांति की परिभाषा ही बदल दी।
क्योंकि तुम लोग डर गए हो और डरना भी चाहिए। आवाम जाग रहा है। इन अंग्रेजों से कह दो कि तुम दबा कर निकले परिणाम लात मारकर खड़े रह जाएंगे। What did he say? Sir, I am saying the choice is yours, sir. Leave my land or get thrown out. और मैं बता छोड़ कर नहीं आ सकता। इसका अंजाम जानते हो मगर फांसी मरने क्या हासिल करोगे? जानते हो मुझे कितनी ख्वाहिश है? मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं हंसते हुए फांसी पर चढ़ जाऊँ ताकि मेरी मौत देश के नौजवानों के लिए एक मिसाल हो।
माफ कर देगा, लेकिन कहीं तुम हार गया।
Independence Day. On 15 August 1947, India became independent from British Jai Hind.